My name is Hynek Roubík. I'm from Czech University of Life Sciences Prague, and in the BioCapital project I am coordinator of our BioCapital consortium. That means making sure that everything runs smoothly, that all the work is being delivered as planned, and ensuring that, in simple words, everything goes smoothly.
What are the objectives of the BioCapital project?
Our project is very ambitious. It is putting together a lot of different fields, and what we want to do in the BioCapital to put it all together and make tangible outcomes which will shape the approach to biodiversity and mobilizing the investment possibilities there.